Hi, I'm Aaron with Pitsco Education, and I want to show you something that I made with my Arduino Starter Kit here. This is an electronic keyboard. It's got a full 8-note octave, and then for each key that you press, one of the lights lights up. So I've got you can play songs with it. So forth. So it's just kind of a fun little project that we put together. The components of the kit come from the Arduino starter set and also the new educational starter kit. And so I kind of combine those two things together. And really Arduino gets you making because Arduino is fun, it's exciting, and you can build just about anything that you can imagine. So we encourage you to get out there and start building. We'd like to see what you build, so make sure you tag us on social media. That way we can check up and see all the cool things that you guys are making.